say we have a problem, like the ratio of the number of Jane's beads to Ashely's beads is 2 to 3 at first. After Jane bought another 20 beads, the ratio of Jane's beads to Ashely's beads became 3 to 2. How many beads did Ashely have? Now, let's first write that at first, the ratio of Jane's beads to Ashely's beads is 2 to 3. The ratio of Jane's beads, J for Jane, to Ashely's beads, A for Ashely, is 2 to 3. Is 2 to 3. Now let's label it as 2 units, U for units, to 3 units, U for units. Now after Jane bought 20 beads, 20 more beads, so plus 20, the ratio of Jane's beads to Ashely's beads became 3 to 2. So let's write after the number of Jane's beads to Ashely's beads is 3 to 2. After the ratio of Jane's beads to Ashely's beads is 3 to 2. Now, these type of units aren't the same type of units as these, so let's label them as groups. So 3 groups, G for groups, to 2 groups, G for groups. Now, we know that Jane bought 20 more beads, but we also know that Ashely did not buy or lose any beads. So this means that this 3 units is equal to these 2 groups. So, we need to get the same number of units as the same number of groups in both these ratios. To do that, we need to find the LCM, or the lowest common multiple of 3 and 2. The LCM of 3 and 2 is equal to 6. To get 6 units in this ratio for Ashely, you need to multiply the whole ratio by 2, because 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And for this ratio, we need to multiply the whole ratio by 3, because 3 times 2 is equal to 6 groups. Now we get 2 times 2 units is equal to 4 units. 4 units, U for units. And 2 times 3 is equal to 6 units. So 4 units to 6 units, U for units. After, the ratio becomes 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So 9 groups, G for groups, to 3 times 2 is equal to 6 groups. To 6 groups, G for groups. Now this means that this type of group, so this means that the 6 groups, these type of groups, 6 of these groups is equal to 6 of these units. So this means that one of these groups is equal to one of these units. So let's convert all these ratios into groups. So we get into units. So we get 4 units to 6 units, and 9 units to 6 units. Now, we know that Jane bought 20 beads. So 20 beads is equal to the difference between 9 and 4, which is 9 minus 4, 9 units, minus 4 units is equal to 5 units. Is equal to, so 20 beads is equal to 5 units. So unit is equal to 4 beads. Now we need to find how many beads Ashely had. So Ashely had 6 units. So 6 units is equal to 4 times 6. So 6 units is equal to 24. So Ashely had 24 beads. Today we learned about ratio word problems. Thank you for watching this video.